Good morning, dear children. We are back with the chapter. The chapter we were studying on the previous part, that was the Great Wall of Rishikesh, right? So today we are on page number 83 and we are continuing our chapter. Okay, so see, till here we got to know that there were the three friends who the author Chetan and Moneet. They are the three friends who were going to the Rishikesh for the river rafting. But here we saw one of their friend Moneet is terrified with this rafting thing because he don't know the swimming, so he is not quite liking the things. So now what the situation will go off, we will see here. Okay, so see the page number 83, first paragraph. The huge wave came charging in diagonally and flicked the raft over as casually as you would flick a bug off your forearm. Munit's eye went even wider as he saw me 3 feet in the air above him. He tried to grab the guy lines of the raft, but he couldn't find them, and a moment later went face first into the cold green waters of the Ganga. Means here what it is saying now. See here now. See earlier we have studied that the first wave came and they were luckily they were okay with that, है ना. मतलब पहली वेव आ चुकी थी और उसमें से उन लोगों ने ताफू से लड़के वो लोग फाइन थे. लेकिन अब फिर से सेकेंड वेव आ रही है, जैसे कि लाइक वी कैन सी ऑन दिस पिक्चर. As we know, in the first row narrator and Chetan is there, and on the second row Monit is there. So we can see कि ये जो raft है ये काफी कैसे diagonally ऐसे उठा हुआ है ना. It is upside, it is towards upside and the wave is there, है ना. So they were struggling, and इसी से you can see the one boy's face is downside, है ना, on the second row. सो दिस इज द मोनित हु वॉज टेरिफाइड. वो मतलब इससे डरा हुआ है इस सीन से, है ना. और ये जो पूरा पानी है उनके, दिस इज द ग्रीन. इन पिक्चर इट इज ग्रीन, इन पिक्चर इट इज ब्लू, बट हेयर इट इज रिटन ना कोल्ड ग्रीन वाटर्स. सो यहाँ पे क्या मतलब कि कोल्ड ग्रीन वाटर्स है ना. सो मीन्स हेयर ठंडा ठंडा पानी उनके फेस में लगा, राइट. नाउ सी इन द सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. In the first moment of hitting waters, Monit must have swallowed enough water to fill a bathtub. As I went up to the surface, I tried looking for him. The raft was upside down, and Chetan emerged from under it. I was still in the rapid, and the waves were breaking over me. But thankfully, all of us were on the other side of the wall. मतलब सेम चीज इट इज सेइंग, है ना. फर्स्ट मोमेंट ऑफ हिटिंग वाटर, मतलब जब पानी उनको लगा, मोनित मस्ट हैव swallowed इनफ वाटर टू फिल अ बाथ टब. मीन्स यहाँ पे एज अ जोक इट इज सेइंग दैट जब पानी उनके फेस में लगा तो इतना पानी उसके अंदर चला गया होगा मोनित के कि वो पूरा एक बाथ टब फिल कर सकता है उस पानी से, है ना. See, as I went up to the surface, I tried looking for him. Means continuously narrator is seeing Monit कि वो काफ़ी डर न जाए, है ना. The raft was upside down and Chetan emerged from under it. I was still in the rapid and the waves were breaking over me. मतलब luckily इतनी लंबी वेव्स आने के बाद still all the three friends were on the raft only. तीनों की तीनों राफ्ट में ही बैठे हुए थे अभी तक, right. Now see, in the safety briefing, Kana Singh had reassured us that the life jacket would prevent any paddler from drowning. And as if keeping that thought in mind, Monit broke the surface of the water, frantically waving his arms and taking in deep gulps of air. Now see on the next paragraph. See, villagers on the cliffs by the river mistook his panic-stricken gestures for signs of friendliness and waved back enthusiastically. To this, Monith replied with some choice phrases which I pretend not to hear. Finally, he calmed down and went into the white water position. Means here what happened when the all the three friends, मतलब जब तीनों दोस्त अपने पैडलर से नीचे गिर गए बिकॉज ऑफ द वेव, तो विलेजर्स ने उन पे ऐसे इंथुसियास्टिकली फ्रेंडली ऐसे हाई वेव किया, बट मोनीत वॉज नॉट हैप्पी विद दैट. सो उन्होंने व्हाट हैपन, then Monith replied in a choice phrases. Choice phrases means improper or bad language, मतलब कुछ भी ऐसे he told something in very bad language, but narrator decided not to listen him. Okay, so after some time, Moni calmed down and went into the white water position. What is white water position? See, when you go into the white water position, you you essentially lie on your back and let the current carry you out of the rapid till you are rescued by the rescue crew in, called safety cakers. Means वो ऐसे लेटा हुआ बस था. Okay, now see, relieved that he was fine, I looked around me. The raft was still upside down. Upside down मतलब ऐसे पलटा हुआ पड़ा था. Okay. The raft was still upside down and Kana Singh was trying to turn it in the right way up. The two safety cakers were making sure that all of us were safe. Two rafts which were behind us took on the wall as well. One made it and the other was flipped over. Now there were two rafts floating upside down in the water and 12 of us floating downstream. The safety cakers got everyone into their respective rafts. Means here it is saying that the three were fine, मतलब तीनों सही थे, भले वो लोग पानी में हैं पलट गए हैं, but all the three were fine and that was a good thing. The raft was still upside down and Kana Singh was trying to run in the right way up. The two safety kayakers, who are safety kayakers, see, trained professionals who are employed to rescue rafters who get into difficulties. Means वो जो लोग जो रेस्क्यू करते हैं ना, दे आर नोन एज द सेफ्टी कायकर्स. ओके, वी आर मेकिंग श्योर दैट ऑल ऑफ अस वे आर सेफ. मतलब जो सेफ्टी कायकर्स हैं दो हैं वहाँ पे, और ये ही इज इंश्योरिंग दैट ऑल द सिक्स वे आर ओके विद दिस, है ना. एंड सी वहाँ पे, एंड द थिंग इज सेइंग द टू मोर राफ्ट्स वॉज देयर बिहाइंड देम. मतलब दो और राफ्ट थी उनके पीछे, उनमें से भी एक क्या हुई, वन वॉज फ्लिप्ड ओवर एंड सेकेंड वॉज ओके. मतलब एक और पलट गई और दूसरी ओके थी. ओके, सो सी द सेफ्टी कायकर्स गॉट एवरीवन इनटू देयर रिस्पेक्टिव राफ्ट्स. तो जो सेफ्टी कायकर्स थे उन्होंने वापस सबको उठा के उनके राफ्ट में उनको बैठा दिया. Okay, now see, back in the safety of the raft, Monith realized a series of loud belches letting out the air that he had swallowed along the water. The belches echoed up and down the river valley like the cries of a lonely leopard. After 20 minutes and two more rapids, which now seemed like the mild ripples of a calm sea, we pulled up in front of our camp. Means now here it is what it is saying, that back in the safety, मतलब all were, you know, yeah, all were okay. Everyone was fine, but जो भी मोनी था वो भी काफ़ी ही वॉज सीरीज ऑफ लाउड बेल्चेस, मतलब वो भी काफ़ी ऐसे भड़का हुआ सा है. लेटिंग आउट द एयर दैट ही हैड सॉलोड अलोंग द वाटर, मीन्स जो अंदर सांस रुक जाती है, हवा भरी होती है, वो वापस ही इज कमिंग बैक टू हिज नॉर्मल पोजिशन. Okay, next paragraph. See, Moneet looked disturbed, but as we sat by the river, sipping the hot tea that the staff had kept ready for us, his mind had already started giving heroic shape to the wall episode. मतलब दिस जो पूरा ये हुआ है, ये ऋषिकेश की राफ्टिंग एट ऑल, इसको क्या नाम दे दिया नरेटर ने? वॉल एपिसोड. ओके. सो या इट इज सेइंग हियर कि जब सब दे वर ऑल सिटिंग टुगेदर एंड हैविंग हॉट टी, जब साथ में बैठ के सब चाय पी रहे थे, तो मोनीत जो है वो क्या, ही इज टेलिंग द स्टोरी, ही स्टार्टेड सेइंग टेलिंग द स्टोरी. For a month after that, he milked the incident for all its worth. The last time I heard him recount it, the incident featured is being chased by crocodiles that had attacked the raft and flipped it over. मतलब कि अब जो मोनीत है वो इस स्टोरी को अपने हिसाब से बताया है और उसने ये तक बोल दिया है कि जो राफ्ट पलटा है ये किसकी वजह से, इट वॉज फ्लिप्ड बाय द क्रोकोडाइल्स, मतलब मगरमच्छ के कारण ही पूरा पलट गया. ओके, सो आई होप यू गॉट इट द स्टोरी. And yeah, and okay, the chapter is over. Thank you.